There is a material in the universe so rare that it may exist in only one place. It's not forged inside stars, it doesn't survive supernovae, and it doesn't drift through space on asteroids, yet you've touched it almost every day of your life. This substance does not form under extreme heat, it cannot be crushed into existence, no cosmic collision creates it, its atoms are arranged with care. To exist, it requires time, balance, and an environment that remains calm. For this material to appear, a chain of events must occur. A star must burn steadily, a planet must orbit at exactly the right distance, water must remain liquid, an atmosphere must survive, then something extraordinary must happen. Matter must learn how to copy itself, how to feed on sunlight, how to grow upward against gravity. If even one step fails, the material never exists. Across trillions of planets, this sequence may have succeeded only once. Imagine galaxies filled with gold, planets rich in diamonds, worlds layered with metal. So, what is this material the universe almost never produces? It isn't gold, it isn't diamonds, it's wood. Wood cannot exist without life. It is built from cellulose, carbon atoms arranged not by explosions, but by biology. It requires photosynthesis, oxygen, time, and organisms capable of growing for decades. Stars can create metals in seconds, but wood can only be made by living systems, slowly turning sunlight into matter. The universe can make galaxies with ease, but wood is made only where life has learned how to survive, and as far as we know, that place is Earth. So, if you want to explore more wonders of life and nature, don't forget to subscribe to Life and Nature Matters for more incredible discoveries.